Got this super nice '02 Ford Crown Victoria LX Sport that the power switches for some of the windows don't work. And so I've got here a master switch that I got off of Amazon, like about 120 bucks. But I'm gonna put that in and see if that takes care of our switches that ain't working. I'll demonstrate. Super low mile, 66,000 miles. So this one works, but it doesn't work in automatic. It'll only go down as long as you're holding the button. This back one on this side does not work. But you can go back here if you unlock it, and it does work. So it's probably just the master switch there. I also got an issue with this window over here. It doesn't work with the master switch. The back one, it does work. This one right here, it might be this switch over here might be bad as well. I'm not sure. I figured I would repair the master switch first and see if that takes care of it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this off. Supposed to pop this off. Yeah, it just comes up. And we're out. I ain't want to cut this thing off so it doesn't keep beeping at me. I'm just going to take this out and roll this thing over. And we're going to start by undoing this here. These clips on that one. And I'm just looking through. Looks like we'll have to undo all of these clips, possibly, or not. No, I don't think we gotta do all that. I'm just gonna get me a Phillips screwdriver and take these screws out, pull this cover off, and I'll show you what that looks like here in just a minute. So as you can see, progress is pretty easy on this thing. There are these little tabs right here, right there, my thumb is. And they're also on the other side as well, right there, and right there. And they snap into these little pieces, these little slots. But this one right here is one behind this sticker right here. This is a Ford part number, and you can see it's right there. It just comes off, and looks like these just pull out. These wires don't pull out, but there's little metal tabs that just press into there, like them, and they just press into it. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pry them out real quick, and it should just slip out, and it shouldn't take but just a moment. Let's see. So it comes out pretty easy. They just pull out, and what I did was I used a little pocket flathead screwdriver. You can use something like that. I was using a little pocket screwdriver and just worked it around a little bit at a time until I got it to pull out. And so now that the old one is out, let's see if I can one-handed put this new one in. Just goes in there like that, and we'll just very gently just squeeze it in a little bit at a time. Nothing to it. Easy peasy. Not even using any muscle or effort. Just goes in. And this switch is basically in there. Let's see if it works. I hope it works. Let's see. Oh yeah, what do you know? The one that wasn't working It is now working with the switch. Let's see if the automatic works now. No, still no automatic. It's probably something else, but it's not a big deal. Let's see if this one over here works now. No. Move my hand. No, still don't work over on the other side. So it must be the switch on that door. That one still works. Let's see if the lock works. Okay, it still works. Even if you have it locked, you can still unlock it. That one works. Let's see if I can lock it. Okay, so the window lock works too, for to keep kids from opening up keep kids from rolling down the windows, and you can still roll the windows down if you want to. Ah, this thing again. Stop. Thank you. Alright, so now that that is done, just put that back on. Doing everything one-handed. Door lock does work, which I didn't replace the door lock switch. Just unlock it so I don't lock myself out. And these little tabs are snapped back in all the way around. Yep, they're snapped in all the way around. Gonna reverse and put the little Phillips screws back in there. There was only 4 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Easy peasy. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Hope you don't mind. Don't want to over tighten it, it's just plastic. Still trying to do this one-handed. Okay. So as you can see how this thing just snaps in. Uh-oh. I'm noticing my clip is gone. It may not have even had a clip in it. It might have been gone because I didn't hear it pop out. Yeah, missing a clip now right here, so I'll probably just try to go to the junkyard and try to get one out of a car, because I need to look for one of these switches here too, one of these lumbar switches. This one's broken. I've got one for this side. I just need to look for one for the other side. And so now that that's done, it basically just snaps back in there. Done.